Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. It's Rarity Sims, and this is week 2 of creating a sim until I hit 100 subscribers. This sim was actually so much fun for me to make. I did my best to go out of my comfort zone when it came to hair and clothes. I find that I don't have same face syndrome, as in my Sim's face don't always look the same despite the overlay, but I always do the same clothing style. I never go out of my comfort zone, so I tried to do that here. And also, I just wanted to have fun with her. She came out to be such a cute sim, and I'm keeping her in my save file, so when I finally start my first Let's Play, all the sims I'm making are going to be in that save file, so we'll see them walking around, which is so much fun. I wonder if I'm the same as some other people. Before making a sim, I have to go CC shopping. I don't know what it is. I need to see if I can find anything new. So typically, before making a sim, I am on Pinterest, I'm on sims.finds, I'm on Tumblr. Like, I go on different platforms. YouTube is sometimes fun to look for CC, but I find that YouTube CC means clicking a lot of links, whereas going on Pinterest, going on Tumblr, it's a bunch more fun. I can see it from my own eyes. But every time I make a sim, I have to go CC shopping. And when I was making her, before I made her actually, I was trying to plan what she would look like. And I don't think she came out how I thought she would in my head, but I still love how she turned out. I'm not sure what it is about black Sims with this blonde, but they eat in it every time. I had to fight my inner instincts not to go with this blonde. You'll see I stuck with it for a while, but then I switched to a really fun color, and that's when half of my mind I decided what she would look like or what her style would be. But this blonde eats on every black Sim. I don't know what it is. Like, maybe I should dye my hair this blonde. Actually, it's a horrible idea, but it looks so cute in The Sims. I love it so much. One thing I find is that I lack in piercings, And why not just ask you guys? So if you have any good Sims 4 piercings that you think I could put in my game, please, please, please comment it, because I need so many more piercings. I find that I use the same ones every time. So if you have any good recommendations, comment it, let me know. And from here on out, I'm actually gonna let you guys just enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you a bit in the end.
And just like that, we're finished. As you saw, I struggled with that outfit and hair at the end, but I ended up naming them Deja Vogel. I made them an artist and then gave them the traits art ho, grunge, chic, optimistic, and barfly, which I thought was really fitting because in my mind, I see like that one girl in school who came dressed however she wanted, did not care, and I feel like they would be such a cool adult. You know, you'd see them at the bar and think, oh my gosh, yeah, they're dressed nice. So that's what I ended up going with. I love the spider, I don't even know what it is, spider mesh thing I found, but just like last time, I went ahead and went into game and took some photos. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see them, and then that comes to the end of this video. And that brings this video to an end. I'm so excited for the next one where I'll actually be recreating some townies, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.